Hey, what's up? So, welcome to today's vlog, and it's March 3rd. Today, I want to talk about something that I get asked a lot. Should I become an entrepreneur? Should I start a company? Well, it's a question I don't think I have a specific answer about. All I could talk about is my journey, and hopefully, you find an answer through my journey about that question. So, I know a lot of people like now it's a really cool thing to be an entrepreneur, to start your own company, to go out your own way. Well, which is great. If you're somebody who's inspired to do that, absolutely, why not? But it's equally important that you audit your skill set. You also take a look at your strengths and then make that call. Because in the last 5 or 6 years that I've been an entrepreneur, I've had a lot of partners, and 99% of all the partners that I had have given up or gone back to the job. And the only reason they did that was because of the uncertainty that comes in with starting a business. So you may be really good at your stuff, which could be acting, dancing, like being a great coach, or fitness guy, or whatever skills you are good at. That's awesome. But if you're looking at becoming an entrepreneur, only the skill doesn't count. Right? You may be great at one thing, but you also equally have to be good at numbers. You have to understand, taxes, accounting. You have to be great at marketing. You have to be great at managing people. You have to be great at dealing with consumers, customers. You have to be great at dealing with merchant vendors. So there are so many freaking things that you need to be great at. If you're just great at one thing, which is your core thing, which is the stuff that you like doing, then I highly suggest that you take some time, think about, are you cool doing all these additional things? Are you cool dealing with customers? Are you cool making sure that you're marketing your stuff, getting in new leads, getting in new customers, building a team? If that's not something that you like, then by no means should you jump on to be an entrepreneur. Well, I'm not saying this to discourage you, but I'm saying this to save years of your time, because I've seen a lot of people who jump onto this, think that it's really cool, and end up wasting a lot of time, a lot of money, and eventually going back to doing a job. There's nothing wrong in doing a job, nothing wrong in starting a company. It should just, at the end of the day, make you happy. Because if you want to start a company and if you're bound to be miserable all throughout, and if you're always going to be stressed, what's the point of starting a company? Same, if you're working at a job and if you're unhappy about it, what's the point of doing a job, right? So eventually, at the end of the day, you have to figure out what works for you, what are your strengths. Because I had a friend who was fucking bored at the job. He jumped on to start a company without realizing what his strengths were, and in 6 months he was so fucking stressed doing the job that he eventually starting the company, that he eventually quit the company and went back to doing the job. So that's a lesson. He wasted a lot of time, and he could have practically grown in his job, and he had to take 2 steps backwards. So things look great from the outside, especially when you're starting a company. If I give you a personal example, there was a time when I made too many stupid decisions, too many stupid investment, and I lost all the fucking money that I had made. And to a point when I had almost I think $100 left in my bank account, and I had no fucking idea how I would pay for my food or rent the next day. And I was almost paralyzed, not literally but mentally. I didn't know what to do next and where to go. So that's the kind of thing. So if you're becoming an entrepreneur, your journey is never going to be straight line. It's always going to be up, down, left, right, no matter what. So if you're prepared for that kind of a journey, if you're prepared for that kind of an adventure, by all means, I think you should jump onto it. But if you like the certainty, if you like the stability, then by all means you should fucking not try this. This is not a ride that you should jump on. So a simple metaphor, if you're somebody who goes to a theme park, and if you don't like sitting in the rides, but you are just doing it for the sake of adventure, and you're going to puke out after coming down, don't do it. What's the point, right? So that's my answer. There's no straight yes or no. It just depends on what you like. Are you prepared to take the risk, and do you enjoy the risk? If you don't fucking do it. If you do it, but also measure your strength. So that's the vlog for today.